Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the gasket on your oven. The reason why you would have to do this is because when your oven is on, you feel a lot of heat leaking out from the oven. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So this is the gasket right on the inside here. It's actually attached to the frame of the oven and not the door. So to get it off, all you have to do is simply grab a piece of it and pull down and pull it out. So be careful when you pull this out because there are little metal prongs sticking out, and that's how it attaches to the oven. You don't want to get yourself stuck with one of those. So I'm just going to continue to pull everything out. And as I do so, watch and be careful of these little metal spikes that are sticking out of the gasket. Okay, and now we've got the old one completely removed. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement gasket. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now as I put it back in, I want to make sure I get the hooks into the little holes there. So as I move this up, you might have to stretch the gasket a little bit, but it's meant to do that so that it stays securely in place after you've got the hooks in there. And the last two. Okay. Now those are all in place. I'm just making sure that none of the hooks fell out. Looks all good. So now we'll close the oven door and your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.